Okay, step number 7, adding dimensions. Now we have learned how to make our drawing sheet. Okay, we went through how to make it first angle, how to distribute our front and top and right and the isometric, how to add the dash lines for the front and top and right, how to delete the tangent edge remove, how to many things. So far we have studied how to do them. Now the seventh step is how to add the dimensions. We have seven things that we have to add dimensions on them. We will go through them step by step. So what are the things that you have to add dimensions on them? The first one is the circles and curves. So let's give you an example. For example, this problem. Okay, we want to add a dimension on the circles. The first one are the circles. So we have circle here, and also we have this one is not a full circle, it's a curve because we don't have this area, so it's a curve. So we have to add dimensions on circles and on curves. So we have this circle, we have this circle, we have this circle, we have this curve. Okay, so start always with circles. So smart dimension, if we go annotation, you will find the center line, center mark. Also you have the smart dimension. Click on smart dimension and add dimension on the full circle first. Click here. Okay, now our dimension for the circles has to be in a specific style. So if you go here in the leaders, okay, we're going to choose between these two lines, the lower line and the right one. Click on that. Okay, then go down, choose custom text position and choose the middle one. Just see what happens if I choose the middle one. This is the style that we want you to add the dimension of any curve or any circle on. Okay, so in this way, it has like a slope line for the arrow, then flat line, and the number is on that. Okay, so smart dimension again, we want to do that for this curve. Click on that. Okay, click here. So why does he add radius, not diameter? Because this is not a full circle, as we mentioned before. This is not a full circle. If it's a circle, then he will add phi. If it's just a curve, he will add radius. Okay, so go to leaders again, then choose the lower line, the right one always. Click here, then go down, then custom text position, then choose the middle one. Okay, check. Okay, so we added for this circle, we added a dimension for that curve. Okay, do we have any circle here? No. Do we have any curves here? No. So go to the top. Do we have any circles here? Yes. So smart dimension, we just need to add dimension for only one of these, for any of these circles. So we'll add, for example, for this one. Click here, go down, click again, then the same thing, go to leaders, choose the right down one, this one, click here, then go down, custom text position and choose the middle one. Check. But before check, should I do the same thing for these three the three circles? No. You just you have to add just number 3. then the phi sign, then the 10 millimeters. So just we have to add 3 here. How can I do that? Go to the value, then before this text, we have the text. Before this text, click here and just type 3. So that means that we have 3 circles, and each of them has this the diameter of 10 millimeters. Okay. Again, go to the value, then go to the text down. You see we have text. Click on that and click type 3, then check. So we have 3 circles, each of them has the same diameter. Okay. Now we have a curve here, a small dimension. Then click on this curve, click again, then go to leaders, choose the lower bottom line and the right one, click here, then go down, custom text position, choose the middle one, check. Okay, so the same thing, we have 3 arcs, this arc and this arc and this arc. So if I want to add 3, no problem, click on that, then go to value, go to the text. Where is the text? Text. Yeah, this is the text here. Before the arc, click, then type 3. So we have 3 arcs, which is this one and this one and this one. Each of them has a radius of 12 millimeters. Okay. Okay. Be careful about your dimensions. It has to not pass this this frame. Okay. Don't make your dimensions like this or like this. It has to be inside the page. Okay, so don't pass this frame from here or from here. Don't add the dimensions like this, for example, or like this. It has to be inside the page. Okay. Now the second dimension is the full length and width and height. The full length and width and height of the model. So let's go to another example. Okay, for example, I have this model. From the front I have to add 100 millimeters from the right to the left. This is the full length. So from the right to the left, this is the full length. From the right, go to the right. From this line to this line, this is the width, the full width. And from the right also, from this line to this bottom, this is the full height. Okay. Let me give you also another example. Not this one. Let me see. Let me give you another example. Yeah. For example, this is the L shape. So this is the length, the full length. Okay. This is the full width. I have to add the dimension for that. And this is the full height. Now, maybe someone will ask me, is this the same of this number? No, this measures a different thing. This measures a different thing. This measures this line, which is on the front. Okay, this is the front. He measures this length, while this 90 measures this line. So they are different things. Okay, and the 90 is the highest, so you can add the highest from here or here. It's the same thing. Okay, so the general length, the general width, the general height. So you have to add these three things also on your model. Okay, I hope these two dimensions are easy to you. Now let's go to the other dimensions in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.